Good day to all my viewers around the world. You're welcome to my online channel. Today we'll be looking at Nigerian Mathematics Olympiad, senior category, first round. But just before we go into that, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Okay, the question says, if b greater than 1, x greater than 0, and 2x raised to the power of log 2 base p minus 3x raised to the power of log 3 base p is equal to 0. X is, that means we have to find the value of x. Option A, 6, B, 1, option C, 1 over 6, option D, 1 over 216, and option E, not uniquely determined. Okay, let's go with the solution to this question. How do we solve this question? Now, let's look at its solution. Now, this is the question we're given. Let's put down the equation. The equation is 2x raised to the power of log 2 base p minus 3x raised to the power of log 3 base p is equal to 0. All right, this is the equation. So let's take this to the other side of equality sign, and it becomes positive because it is negative here. And that's going to give us 2x raised to the power of log 2 base p, which is equal to 3x raised to the power of log 3 base p. Okay. And from here, the next thing to do is to take the logarithm of both sides. And that is going to give us log base p, of course, of the same base. We have 2x, then to the power of log 2 base p, which is equal to log base p into bracket of 3x, which is to the power of log 3 base p. Remember, one of the rules or laws of a logarithm, it states that when you have log a raised to power b, the b can come to the back of this logarithm, and it becomes b log of a. I hope you can remember that. So take note of that. We are going to apply this law or this rule to provide solution to this, or to continue with the question. Now, this is going to come to the back, and that becomes log 2 base p. Okay, then we also have log 2x, which is also equal to log 3 base b comes here, it becomes log 3 base b, then multiplied by log 3x. Okay, don't forget this is the same base p and base p. All right, now I want to make log 2x subject of formula log 2x base p. So that means I have to divide both sides by log 2 base p. So dividing this by log 2 base p, then also this part by log 2 base p. So this will eliminate this. So from this part now, we also want to divide both sides by log 3s base p. Divide both sides by log 3s base p. And that is going to give us log 2x, okay, log 2s base p divided by log 3x base p, which will be equal to, of course, if we divide this side by log 3s base p, it will cancel out with this. So we will be left with log 3 base p over log 2 base p. Okay, and also one of the laws of indices states that when you have log AB, it simply means that you expand that, it becomes log A plus log B. I believe we can remember this. So we're going to apply that rule here. So in applying that rule here, it will help us to simplify the equation we have and to be able to proceed with the solution. So from here, log 2x base p is going to be log 2 base p, okay, plus log x base p. So we do the same thing to the numerator here. This is over, and here we have log 3 base p, okay, plus log x base b, which is equal to log 3 base b over log 2 base b. All right, from here now, what do? We are free to cross multiply here, so we can cross multiply from this part. This is multiplying the numerator, this is multiplying the denominator. So we have log 2 base b into a bracket of log 2 base b, okay? Then plus, we have log x base b, then is equal to, this one we come to this side here, we have log 3 base b into bracket of log 3 base b, then plus log x base b. All right, so to open the bracket now, we use this to multiply this bracket here. The first thing, this and this is going to give us log 2 base b into bracket of the power of 2, okay? Then this and this, if we multiply together, we have plus log 2 base b multiplied by log x base b, okay? Then equal to, also we use this to open the brackets that we have here, and that's going to give us log 3 base b, just like we have here, into brackets, then raised to the power of 2, okay? This is equal to here. Then this multiplies by this, it gives log 3 base b multiplied by log x base b. Okay, from what we have here now, we can decide to bring this one here, this log 3 base b squared, to this part, and we'll take this one to the other side too as well. And how do we do that? That's going to give us, here we have log 2 base b to the power of 2. Then this is coming here, it becomes minus. And here, what do we have? Log 3 base b to the power of 2, which is equal to, then here we have log 3 base b multiplied by log x base b. Okay, then this one is coming to the side, which is going to be minus log 2 base b, okay, multiplied by log x base b. Okay, now I want to bring this one here, because basically what we're looking for is x, but you can as well solve it this way, but I want to bring this one to this side, or I want to rewrite it. That becomes something is common here. Log x base b is common here, so I'm going to write log x base b is common, then I open a bracket, I'm left with what? Log 3 base b, okay, then minus what again? Log 2 base b, log 2 base b, close the bracket. So we've been able to find the common factor here, which is log x base b. So coming over is equal to, now this that we have here, this is difference of 2 squared. So we can expand this. Expanding it, we are going to have log 2 base b minus log 3 base b, okay? Then the other part is going to be log 2 base b plus log 3 base b. Okay, from what we have here, now we can see that something is almost similar with this part, is almost similar with this part, but not the same thing. This one is log 3 base b minus log 2 base b. And we're having log 2 base b minus log 3 base b. So we can rewrite this such that we can have same thing, so that we'll be able to cancel out. And how do we go about that? So to go with that now, that means at this part here now, okay, which is log x base b into bracket of log 3 base b minus log 2 base b, then is equal to this. I'll write this. So to do that, I have log, let me change the color, okay. So we have log x base b, okay, into bracket of log 3 base p minus log 2 base p. Okay, so which is equal to this other side, and I'm going to rewrite this other side. I will introduce a minus here, minus, then open a bracket. If I introduce a minus at the front here, so the minus is going to affect what I have here. So I can write this to be log 3 base p, okay? Then this one here is going to be a negative one now. That's minus log 2 base p, okay? We close the bracket. Then this other bracket here, then we have with log 2 base p, then plus log 3 base p. Okay, now something is common here now that we can strike out. We can strike out this and this, okay? So when we strike out that, we are left with log x base p, okay, which is equal to minus log 2 base p, then plus log 3 base p, close the bracket. So from here as well, we need to continue with this. And how do we go with that? We have log x base p is equal to, now when one of the laws of logarithm says that you can, from your addition of logarithm with the same base, you can multiply it. So in a nutshell, I can have minus log log 6 base b, because I'm going to multiply 2 times 3 together, it gives me log 6. So also take note that when you have something like a log b, so this a can come to the front here to become the power, which will give us a log, which will give us log b raised to the power of a. So we're going to apply that here. And taking a look at this, you will see that the coefficient of log 6 base p is -1. So we're going to take the coefficient, which is -1, to the other side, so that it becomes the power. So this is going to give us log x base p is equal to log 6 raised to power of -1 base p. And from here, logarithm with base p, we cancel out with logarithm with base p. Then x is equal to 6 raised to power -1. Okay, and when you rewrite this, it's going to give us x is equal to 1/6, which is option C. So this is the solution to this question. I believe you understand this, and we have come to the end of today's class. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment. See you next class. Thank you.